Should you exercise? What if I told you it has cognitive benefits? You don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. A lot has been said throughout the ages about exercise and physical activity. For example, Marcus Julius Cicero said in about 65 BC, exercise alone that supports the spirit and keeps the mind in vigor. But more recently, people have gone on about exercise as an optional thing, like the famous writer Mark Twain said, I take my only exercise as pallbearer at the funerals of my friends who exercise regularly. That doesn't sound so good, even though Henry Ford said about exercise. Exercise is a bunk. You don't need it, and if you are sick, you shouldn't take it. But I want you to exercise, and I'm going to present the evidence on the benefits behind it. There are various opinions concerning benefits and costs of exercise and physical activity, but I'm going to try to provide an up-to-date review of the scientific literature that has examined how a physical activity and brain function relate to each other. Specifically, we'll focus on older animals and humans because this population has both much to gain from exercise and is of particular interest with regards to cognition. Over the past decade, there has been a fast increase of studies on the influence of lifestyle factors such as nutrition, activity, and social interaction, especially with regards to cognition within the normal range. People have asked whether lifestyle factors reduce the risk or delay the onset of diseases like Alzheimer's dementia and vascular dementia, which is your heart decaying. Unfortunately, many of these studies are observational and retrospective, so there's a lot of confounding variables, but initial assessment of lifestyle factors and cognition in older adults with regards to physical activity or exercise and cognition found that those who exercise a number of times per week were lower risk than those who didn't. This I quote here: Alzheimer's disease was significantly higher for individuals who exercised fewer than 3 times a week compared to those who exercise more than 3 times per week. And they accounted for the influence of genetic predisposition and other things like lifestyle factors, smoking, drinking, and the like, party wells, and all, and Larson and all both found an inverse relationship between Alzheimer's disease risk and estimated energy expenditure of a number of physical activities performed by the test subjects. However, unlike the Larson et al. Study, which only found a significant relationship between physical activities and Alzheimer's, for the genetic non-carriers or those at lower risk for Alzheimer's. Studies also found an inverse relationship between activity levels and cognitive decline, meaning that as activity went up, the risk of cognitive decline went down. Yapi and all found a similar inverse relationship between the number of blocks walked per week or energy expenditure and cognitive decline. Again, it makes the next activity goes up and decline goes down. I've linked the article where I found all of this in the description, along with some amazing products to help you get in the best shape of your life and live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.